Audrey Johns here, and today I'm going to be cooking 2 delicious meals out of my brand new cookbook, Lose Weight by Eating Easy Dinners. Everything in this cookbook is easy to make and under 500 calories. First up is my jalapeno popper chicken. So what you need is 2 chicken breasts. You're going to do about a tablespoon of low-fat cream cheese on each breast. So really easy. It does not have to be perfect because don't worry, it's gonna melt. Then we're gonna add some jalapenos to the top. Now, if you don't want it super spicy, go for the jalapenos that don't have the seeds and the ribs inside. I like to do 3 on each, but if you really love spice, add more. You can also chop it up, just make it easy on yourself. And then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of cheddar on top. So easy, right? Now, what I love about this is it's a low-calorie version of a jalapeno popper. I like to serve this with a salad, some nice roasted vegetables is wonderful, and that's as easy as the prep is. Under 5 minutes, you've got this one ready. All we have to do is put this in the oven, 450 degrees, for 20 to 25 minutes until it's cooked through. Look how delicious this is. No more boring chicken. Wonderful, delicious meal. Up next, I'm gonna show you how to make my pizza chicken. Yum! And you just kind of bang these and beat them down to where they're just a little bit thinner, kind of like you would do with chicken parmesan. This is one of the easiest meals you can make. It's fast, it's delicious, it's low in calories, and I'm gonna shred in 1 garlic clove. I've got some tomato sauce, and spoon it over the top. Then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of mozzarella or mozzarella, some nitrate-free, and if you can get turkey pepperoni, what I've done is I've cut it into little quarters, a little bit of salt and pepper, and this is gonna go into the oven, 450 degrees, for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's cooked through with no pink in the center. Yum! Look how delicious! Oh, we're gonna eat well tonight. We're gonna place our delicious pizza chicken on some plates with some Caesar salad. And if you really, really need to have some bread, make some of my low-calorie garlic bread. Just 1 slice is all you're gonna need. Bye, Rach. Thanks again for having me on the show.